Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Bitmart. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their BMX token, some of the best wallets you can use, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Bitmart is a multi-feature cryptocurrency exchange platform that was founded in 2017 by Sheldon Jia. This exchange can be used for spot and margin trading, and is also a popular exchange for buying rare NFTs and trading futures at low costs. Bitmart currently has more than 9 million users and offers a beginner-friendly mobile application that you can use to buy, sell, and stake cryptocurrencies. You can also buy NFTs from the Bitmart marketplace, and Bitmart offers flexible staking and savings programs. Bitmart also uses a native token to give their clients discounts on trading fees and pay for gas on the public blockchain that will be released in the near future. The team behind Bitmart are members from Amazon, Accenture, Tencent, Alibaba, and other leading international technology firms. Bitmart offers more than 750 cryptocurrencies and over 800 pairs that you can trade in spot markets or as futures. You can also trade with up to 5 times margin on hundreds of cryptocurrency pairs. If you sign up with Bitmart, you could receive a welcome bonus of up to $3,000 and an additional bonus of up to $2,175 if you'll be trading futures. Bitmart offers a mobile application that can be used to buy and sell over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. This application also has built-in staking functionality, and you can easily stake directly from your phone with Bitmart Earn. You will also be able to access the Bitmart NFT marketplace using the mobile application and get notified when airdrops are released. The mobile application can be downloaded for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store. Bitmart offers both a mobile application as well as a web exchange, and both platforms are designed to be beginner-friendly. However, the web exchange can be viewed in advanced mode if you are more experienced and looking for more high-level trading tools. Bitmart's web exchange shows prices in real time and comes with a wide range of built-in drawing tools and in-depth charts. You can view charts in different timeframes and easily set parameters on your orders. With Bitmart, you can either stake your crypto or receive up to 50% interest APY with Bitmart savings. Staking with Bitmart is easy, and you can lock your tokens for 30 to 90 days and earn up to 58% interest on some cryptocurrencies. By holding your crypto, you can earn interest daily with Bitmart savings, and you can choose between fixed and flexible terms with high yield. The native token of Bitmart is BMX, and it is an ERC20 token that can be stored in any wallet that supports Ethereum. By using BMX to pay for trading fees, you can receive a discount of up to 25% on your fees. Bitmart also plans to release a public blockchain and a decentralized exchange in the future, and the BMX token will be used to pay for gas fees on the blockchain. You can buy BMX from other exchanges. However, we recommend buying it directly from Bitmart to avoid any unnecessary transaction fees. Bitmart does not currently offer a proprietary wallet. However, we recommend using one of the recommended hardware wallets instead for the highest level of security. The hardware wallets recommended by Bitmart itself include Ledger, Trezor, Keep Key, and Crypto Steel. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. The Trezor hardware wallet is one of the most trusted crypto wallets with advanced password encryption. This wallet can be connected to third-party wallets used with the Trezor application or be integrated seamlessly with Ethereum. There are also some excellent third-party wallets that you can use, such as Trust Wallet and the Coinbase wallet, and all you need to do is link your wallet address to your Bitmart account. Trust Wallet is free to download and use. It supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a fantastic option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The Coinbase software wallet supports more than 4,000 digital assets and offers a built-in decentralized application browser. It can also be used to store NFTs and integrates seamlessly with the Coinbase exchange. Creating an account with Bitmart is easy, and you can create an account in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Bitmart homepage, and then click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. Next, verify your email address and submit any necessary documentation. And once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. You can buy and sell your crypto by downloading the Bitmart mobile application. Alternatively, you can use the Bitmart web exchange, which can be viewed in standard mode or advanced mode. You can also use the margin mode if you'll be leveraging your trades. If you'll be using the web exchange, you can either browse the instruments offered or type in a specific instrument in the search bar to see which pairs are available, and you can add instruments to your favorites list. Once you have created an account and you have chosen your preferred wallet, if you require assistance with anything else, the Bitmart customer support team can be contacted 24 hours a day via live chat. Simply click on the support button in the bottom right corner of the screen. We would also recommend visiting the Help Center to view guides and read through the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered. You can also use the Help Center to read the company announcements, view the latest token listings, and keep track of promotions. So, what do we like about Bitmart? Bitmart has millions of clients from more than 180 countries globally, and is a fantastic option for anyone who is interested in staking, margin trading, or futures trading. This exchange provides a secure, low-cost platform where you can buy and sell more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies with high liquidity. With Bitmart, you can also earn more with bonus offerings, promotions, and high-yield staking rewards. If you are interested, be sure to open your Bitmart account today to get a head start on your trading career and diversify your portfolio with over 800 crypto pairs. And that is our overview of Bitmart. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.